In this video, you'll learn how to disable the passkey feature on Notion. By the end of this tutorial, you will have successfully removed the passkey from your account settings, allowing for alternative login methods. Begin by navigating to the Notion website in your preferred web browser. If you are not already signed in, enter your email address and passwords to access your account. Once logged in, locate the sidebar on the left side of the screen. From this sidebar, find and click on the option labeled Settings and Members. This action will take you to the account settings menu. After entering the account settings, look for the section that contains security. Click on this to access various security options related to your account. Within the security settings, search for the entry that mentions passkey or login methods. This section will provide you with an overview of your current security configurations. Next, within the passkey options, select the choice that allows you to disable or remove the passkey feature. You may see a button or a toggle switch labeled Disable Passkey. Click on this option to initiate the process. A confirmation prompt may appear asking you to verify your decision. It is essential to read this prompt carefully and confirm the action securely to proceed. After disabling the passkey, ensure that alternative login methods are already enabled. This step is crucial to avoid being locked out of your account. If necessary, set up another login method, such as email and password, to ensure you can access your account without the passkey. Once you've completed the previous steps, log out of your Notion account. This can be done by clicking your profile icon at the bottom of the sidebar and selecting Log Out. After logging out, attempt to log back in using your password or any other login method you have set up. Confirm that the password login works as expected. Finally, revisit the security settings to monitor any recent login activity, ensuring that your account remains secure after the changes. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.